This right here is the best price platform bed. This thing is super nice, very convenient. I love using this thing, sleeping on it. It's very high quality. It can hold a ton of weight. These cool little peel strips right here, if you're wondering what they are, they're actually here. So you can peel them up and it's going to be a non-slip tape, my bad. It's non-slip tape for your mattress. So you're not going to have to worry about your mattress scooting back and forth or anything like that. Which is super convenient because that can be something that's really aggravating. Something else nice about this is this thing has a ton of space right here on the bottom. You could put a ton of stuff down here, so you're not going to be losing any bed storage space, which is really convenient. So yeah, you kind of see right here, there's a ton of space. I'd say give or take 12 to 14 inches, something like that. I'm not sure the exact measurement, but there is a ton of space down here. This thing's really convenient to set up. You have kind of your outer layers that just screw all in and stuff like that. All the parts and everything you need will come with it, so you don't have to worry about going and finding your toolkit and everything crazy like that. And then these all have little U-shaped hookups, so these all just slide right in here. And then these two middle beams right here, this one and this one, they actually clip in, and then that just makes them super secure and stuff like that. So you have some really secure beams right there in the middle, just kind of pulling this whole thing in and keeping it really tight and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're looking for a very high quality platform bed that's also super easy to set up and just a really straightforward platform bed, then I definitely highly recommend this one right here. I personally love using it, and yeah, I definitely couldn't recommend it enough. So this is the best price platform bed right here. This thing is super sick. You have all these little white tabs, and what they're for is to kind of keep your mattress in place, keep it from moving around or anything like that. So, you know, that's super nice because that can be something that's really aggravating. Something else that's super cool is you get a ton of storage space down here on the bottom. This is kind of my fist for reference. So you get a ton of stuff that you can put down here, so you're not going to be able to, or you're not going to be losing any space down here for things you would normally be able to put down there, which is super cool. And then these right here, these are super easy. They just slide right in. They're a little U-shaped. And then down here, these ones actually clip in for your middle supports. So you could feel like that's super stable right there. And then you have these legs, and they just both kind of screw in right there and everything. So this thing's super stable. If you're looking for a really nice platform bed that's easy to put together, but is also very high quality, then I definitely recommend this platform bed right here. I love using this thing.